Okay, so while I was rehabbing my shoulder for the last couple months, a thought popped into my head about how cool it would be to have a vest to use for bushcrafting and outdoor purposes. I settled on the Rothco Ranger Vest, and it's got some good points and some bad points. I'm going to show you all that stuff right now. Okay, here we go with the Rothco Ranger Vest in all of its glory. I got a large size, and the sizes run pretty much true to what they should. I barely wear a large shirt, and I got a large, and it fits me pretty good. So let's go over a couple of things about the vest. It's on a hanger, of course. You got some nice zippers here in the front. It's got a nicely padded collar that's got a hood in it. I'm going to show you that in a little while. But it's got these little things, these little buttons that don't really do anything. You could clip some stuff to it if you wanted to. It's got a nice zippered pocket up here. It's got the mirrored pocket over here, which is a little bit better. I think you can... That's not even big enough for my cell phone in that pocket. So small stuff in that pocket. You've got a couple of breast pockets, one on each side. Again, not really big enough for a cell phone, just to show you how big the pockets are. Okay, coming down, and it's mirrored on both sides. Coming down, you've got a lot of shotgun shell holders. Well, I don't usually carry a shotgun with me, so I don't really know what these are going to do. I guess you can hang some stuff from them. Shotgun shell holders on each side. If you're a hunter or a bird hunter and you want to carry some extra shotgun shells, this is a really cool option. Okay, coming back down, it's got a nice pocket. Now this one's big enough to put my entire hand in, and my entire cell phone will go in this pocket. Okay, both sides, mirrored on both sides. It's got some hand pockets over here right under this pocket, so you can put your hands in your pockets if you get a little cold or whatever. But here's the thing, this pocket is below the hand pocket, so if you have something in this pocket, like some stuff, it's going to be hard to put your hand in this pocket. This pocket takes up the pocket space for your hand and is above that pocket, so that's not that great. But if you wanted to carry some stuff like fishing stuff or extra hunting stuff, that's really, really cool. Now, why I really got this is when you turn it over on the back side, it's got a large pocket. Okay, and when I say large pocket, I mean a large pocket. This is a full-size 8x10 tarp from Harbor Freight, and this tarp will slide right in the back of this pocket, and it velcros on. So, well, I guess it velcros on, and it velcros on. So you can fit a full-size 8x10 tarp in the back pocket of this. That's really what interested me about the Rothco Ranger Vest. Now, I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to put it on so you can see it on me. Okay, here we go, the Rothco Ranger Vest. Pretty nice. You know, I wear a large shirt, and this thing is just barely big enough for me. So if it usually runs true to size. If you're a bigger guy, XXL, get the XXL. There's not a heck of a lot of room in this, but it fits pretty good. You know, able to put your hands in your pockets and stuff like that. It's got that big pocket on the back that I think is pretty cool. I think that I'm going to be able to carry my full-size tarp and put my survival hiking belt with the Alice suspenders on over this and make a nice hunting rig. You know, it's got our zip-up pocket up here, our other pockets here, shotgun shell holders, and those. What I haven't showed you yet is inside each side, inside, it's got another little pocket. It's not really very big. I thought that I was going to be able to use it. It's got one over here too. I thought that I was going to be able to use it for like a concealment vest and carry one of my small handguns in there, but these pockets aren't big enough, and the vest isn't heavy enough to support a firearm on one side, it's gonna kind of list that way also. So, but it's pretty cool. You know, one thing is, it's a little short. If you're long-waisted, you know, if you have a long torso, I'm only like 5'8", and you know, I'm not really that long from my waist to my shoulders. This barely fits on me, barely to my belt line. So if you're a longer guy and have a longer torso, it's just not going to fit that good. It's gonna ride up a little bit. But you know, for camp wear, if it's a little cool at night, you want to throw this on, sit by the fire. You know, if you got a long sleeve shirt on, just another little layer. That's great for hiking around or fishing. You know, it's got a lot of pockets for fishing lures and pliers and all that other kind of junk. If you're a bird hunter or a turkey hunter, it's got these nice shotgun shell holders on this side. The zippers work pretty well. And here you go. I told you it had a hood in it. It's got this nice collar. It's kind of padded. The hood is actually like useless. All right. And the hood just unrolls. Okay. But the hood really doesn't cover your head. It's not really a hood. Here's how much the hood covers. I mean, I feel like Red Riding Hood, for Christ's sake. It's not, the hood doesn't even come over my forehead. So it's not really, if it's raining, this is not going to keep you dry. I don't even know why they bother to put a hood on it, but I paid $38.99 on Amazon, so 39 bucks. I think this is going to be a pretty good outer layer for camping, and I think it's going to work really, really good with my Alice suspender belt rig. Well, you know, there's more expensive options that have more bells and whistles and more pockets and everything else. All in all, would I buy it again? Yeah. I got the the OD green, the olive drab green color. They also have it in black. They also have it in camouflage. I thought if I wanted to wear it around town, you know, black would be a little bit intimidating, or, you know, camouflage would be a little bit intimidating too. So I got the OD green. Because all my other stuff is OD green. So here we go with the Rothco Ranger Vest, $38.99 from Amazon. All in all, pretty decent option. It's starting to get cooler. I'm starting to get my camping stuff together. That's going to be coming along with me on some trips. I got another nice new backpack that I'm going to be reviewing in another day or so. There's a couple more product reviews coming, and then there's some hiking coming. So I appreciate everybody staying with me while I rehab my shoulder. It's back to almost 100%, and I'm ready to get out on the trail. So until next time, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, and I will see you on the trail.